This is the white Bakerpan fondant, and I'm going to be doing some color mixing videos, so I want to have a neutral base to mix some of these in. And this is a pretty good white. This doesn't look like it has any tint at all to it. So if you're going to be mixing things or covering a cake with this, this looks like it's a pretty true white. And if I hold it up to the white printer paper, you can see that it's the same color. A lot of times white fondant will have a tint, just a little bit. But this looks pretty good. And the flavor of this is that artificial vanilla flavor. It tastes like fondant. That's, you know, if you've used fondant before just in general, they all kind of have the same type of flavor, unless there's some of the ones that have the candy clay in it, which this is not. This is just basic fondant. And it does work very well in molds. You have to knead it. If it's cold, just knead it a little bit until it warms up a tiny bit. And I've been putting this in this little flower mold, and they come out pretty easily without any kind of mold release or anything. So this is good for molding flowers. It's good for rolling out and cutting. And if you want to make a quick gum paste out of this, you would just add some Tylose to it, and that will make it set up harder, but you don't really have to do that. You can just mold the flowers, and after a while, they'll get hard. But this is a good base for mixing. And that's what I'm going to do next. So if you're looking for a good white fondant, this looks like it would be very workable.